Okay, so this is how to become bed bug free starting today. A simple plan that brings hope and real results. You're not alone. Let's get to work. You know what? If you're exhausted and just want this solved, this guide shows exactly what to do today and over the next few months so you can stop bites, sleep again, and get your home back. The solution is a complete step-by-step approach, not one spray and hope. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bedbugs, click the link below. This one's important. You can do this. Be persistent, follow the plan, and the infestation can be eliminated. I know it feels hopeless, but sticking with heat laundering, encasements, interceptors, and scheduled sprays gives you a real shot at getting your home back. Okay, so start with actions that reduce bites tonight and make every follow-up treatment much more effective. Do the immediate bite reduction steps today and you'll see relief faster. Okay, so put a bedbug-proof mattress encasement on the mattress and box spring. Wash all bedding, pajamas, and any clothing that touch the bed on the hottest setting the fabric allows and dry on high for at least 30 minutes and put interceptors under each bed leg to trap bugs and monitor activity. Here's the thing. Move the bed at least a few inches away from walls and furniture so bugs can't bridge over. It's a small change that makes interceptors and encasements work so much better because bugs have fewer routes to reach you. You know why these steps work? Encasements remove the mattress as a hiding place and stop bites from mattress-dwelling bugs. Heat kills eggs, nymphs, and adults quickly when applied correctly. Interceptors give you a physical barrier and a way to measure progress. Separating the bed from walls reduces the routes bed bugs use to reach you. This part is about habits. Keep clean clothes separate, vacuum around the bed, and reduce clutter daily and weekly. Small, steady work that cuts hiding spots and protects your clean laundry. Keep clean clothes separate from items you haven't washed and use sealed bags for dirty laundry. Vacuum mattress seams, bed frames, and nearby baseboards, then empty the vacuum into a sealed bag and throw it away outside. Reduce clutter within a few feet of the bed so there are fewer hiding spots. This is the spraying strategy to use alongside the other steps. It's about quick kills plus a lasting residual to catch bugs that appear later. Use a contact spray for immediate kills and a residual spray that continues working after it dries. Follow a schedule. Spray twice per week for the first month, then once per week for the next 2 to 3 months while continuing encasements, laundering, and interceptors. Treat cracks, bed frames, headboards, box springs, nearby furniture, and places where pipes and electrical cables enter walls. This works because sprays kill visible bugs right away and leave a lasting layer to kill bugs that emerge later. Bed bugs hide in many places. Combining sprays, heat encasements, and interceptors attacks them at every life stage. To see the tools and sprays we recommend for each step, click the link below. Okay, so this is about staying on track and preventing reinfestation. Follow the extra steps that make steady progress much more likely, and keep checking until you're confident they're gone. Steam clean mattress seams and furniture seams where hotter treatment is needed. For items that can't be washed, use a dryer on high heat or a heat chamber following safe instructions to reach lethal temperatures. Use diatomaceous earth or other desiccants sparingly in cracks and voids if you're comfortable with them. They work slowly but add another line of attack. This is how to know you're free. If you do not see any of the following for 3 consecutive months, you're very likely clear, live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots on sheets or furniture. Keep monitoring with interceptors and regular visual checks. If you see activity, return to the twice per week spray schedule until activity stops. Okay, so once you've beaten them down, these steps keep them out. Keep using encasements, check returned items, watch luggage after travel, and keep interceptors for extra protection. Keep the mattress encasement on permanently while you confirm elimination. Wash and dry any items that have been near the bed before bringing them back into the sleeping area. Inspect luggage and clothing after travel. Keep suitcases off the floor and on a rack if possible, and maintain interceptors under bed legs as long as you want extra protection. You can eliminate bed bugs with persistence. This takes time and steady effort. Bed bugs are tough, but a consistent plan, heat laundering, mattress encasements, interceptors, regular spraying on the schedule above, and careful monitoring will win. Many people who felt hopeless have used these steps and became bed bug free. You're not alone. Keep following the plan. Check for 3 months with no signs, and you'll get your home back. For the final set of products we recommend to complete this plan, click the link below.